Amidst the chaos and haste of our daily lives, there exists a sanctuary of unparalleled beauty, the embrace of nature. Imagine a place where the air is scented with the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers, where the gentle rustling of leaves is a soothing symphony, and where the grandeur of mountains stands as a testament to Earth's majesty. Nature, with its infinite palette of colors, paints the sky in hues that stir the soul. It orchestrates the dance of fireflies on warm summer nights and composes the gentle lullaby of a babbling brook. Each sunrise and sunset is a masterpiece in the sky, a reminder that every day is an opportunity for rebirth and renewal. In the heart of the wilderness, one can find solace and perspective. The towering trees teach us about growth, their roots a testament to strength and resilience. The delicate petals of a wildflower remind us of the importance of embracing our uniqueness. The crystal clear waters of a pristine lake reflect the purity that exists within us all. Nature is not only a source of inspiration, but also a source of wisdom. It teaches us patience through the changing seasons, resilience through the harshest storms, and harmony through the delicate balance of ecosystems. It reminds us that, like the intricate web of life, we are all interconnected, and our actions have consequences that ripple through the world. So let us take a moment to step outside, to breathe in the fresh air, to feel the earth beneath our feet, and to gaze upon the beauty that surrounds us. In nature's embrace, we find a reflection of our own inner beauty and a profound connection to the world we call home. It is a reminder that in the grand tapestry of existence, we are but a thread, and our duty is to preserve and protect the exquisite masterpiece that is nature.